Kids 5, how are you? Hello Kids 5, how are you? I'm so very happy to say hello to you. Hello Kids 5, how are you?
Hello Kids 5, how are you today? Good? All right. Do you remember last class we saw the 3 states of water? Yes. Today we are going to do an experiment. And what do we need to do that? We are going to need water, an empty glass cup, candle, and a plate. Okay? What do you think we are going to do? I have a question for you. If I light up this candle, put in the plate, throw some water here on the plate, and then put this cup, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you think the flame, the candle flame, will still lit, will remain lit, or will go out? Let's find out. First of all, we need to put the candle in the middle of the plate, like this, okay? Now we need to put water on the plate, like this. We are gonna light up the candle. Can you see the flame there? All right. What we are gonna do now? We are gonna put the cup off. We are gonna cover this candle with the cup. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think the flame will go out or it will remain lit? Let's discover. 1, 2, 3. Look, guys, what happened with the water and the candle? Very nice, isn't it? Look. The candle flame went out. There's no flame anymore. Let's do it one more time. Let's see if we can do one more time. And pay attention what happens to the water and the candle again, okay? Let's go. Let's see what's happened. What happens again. Look the water, guys. Very nice, isn't it? So now I think you are wondering, Teacher Lu, how does it happen? Why does it happen? The fire only exists when we have oxygen, right? So when we light up the candle like this, it's because we have oxygen, right? When we put the cup here with the water goes up and make the oxygen goes out. So inside the cup with the water, we have no oxygen. Look, that's why the candle flame goes out. Without oxygen, we don't have fire. So I hope you enjoyed the class today, our experiment. And the next class, we are gonna have another one very nice too. Thank you very much for coming. See you next one. Bye bye.